Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just bored right here. So I think I'm just gonna sit here and make random sounds. I'm gonna see how many accent accents I can do and how many sound effects I can do. Well, you go ahead and count, and when you get done, you can just throw it down on the description bar. Yes, I love you. Let's bring it on.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Contestant number one! Whoa! Contestant number two!
Sucks.
Contestant number three!
Louder! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a big one tonight. Hey, I've got a new game. Yeah, what is it called?
Penis!
Oh shit.
Oh, it gives me a hard boner to have.
Oh shit. Oh, oh,
Oh my gosh, honey, I swear you look so beautiful.
the dress. The way that dress looks on you, girl. Girl, I swear, if I was a guy, I would fuck you. Um, you think we can do it right now?
Hey, boo. Yeah, boo. You think we can go ahead and have a little fun? Oh, yes, boo. We will, brother. We will. I'm black and I'm proud. I am John McCain and I'm here to say.
Oh shit, I need a beard. What's up? Oh yeah, I love that movie. I love that movie. Oh shit, that movie was funny as fuck. Um,
Was that an airplane?
247. 247, sir. I think I've heard a sound of a bird. I think I've heard the sound of a bird. My voice is scratchy. I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my sexy. Oh hell no, you ain't. Oh, I've seen the light.
What does it look like? What does it look like?
It looks like a big no. Holy. If I take a little foot, I swear I'm gonna get a little quirky. I'm gay. Fruity Skittles.
Taste the rainbow, bitch.
Oh. Hey, boo boo. Yeah, I wanna rape you. Just get on the bed. No. Just get on the bed and we'll see how far that shit goes. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah. She gave me a deep throat. Just the deepest throat ever. Damn.
Damn right is damn.
Oh, I soon will love you. I will learn to love you one way or another. How about one way is you suck my dick? How about you suck my hairy balls? Sir, you are an old man. You do not need anyone to suck anything of yours. How would you shut up, bend down, open your mouth, and respect your motherfucking elders? Yes, sir.
I think.
Oh, boner. I love you. Can you hear me? I think so. Okay. Can you hear me now? Oh my gosh, the connection is so bad. Oh. Oh my gosh, I think we're lesbos. I think we are too. Candyman, Charlie, Candyman. Yeah, let's go to Candyman.
Oh, will you shut up? heard that before. Fuck you. Ass. I think I've landed on a shit basket. He said shit. Giggity. I am not gay. Please hear me out, sir. I need as much money as I can. I think I fell down the poop basket. Oh, I think I'm straight. I think you're sexy. Oh, shut the fuck up, you old man. I don't even know how your body is able to flex that long. I am the incredible sexy man. Hear me roar the minute I come down to the door. I'm in a car. Damn right, I've had so much fun. Well, that's all, folks. Okay, you probably were sitting there thinking, "Holy shit! How the hell am I supposed to tell the difference between those?" Why don't you listen to it a couple of times? If you listen to it a couple of times, you'll notice I've bounced my words up and down a little. Yeah, but pretty soon you'll be able to figure it all out. Yeah, yeah. So go ahead, sit down, try, think hard, listen to it a few times, 5, 10, 15, 20 times, And then when you get done listening to it, yeah, put down your comment how many sound effects and things you've heard. This will be very interesting. I can't wait to hear it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'll see you later. Good day, and good night. Oh yeah, the beginning of my first video. Oh yeah, please subscribe if you want to hear more sound effects, or if you want me to start using my sound effects on a video. Oh, I can even go. I can even go with the gay one. Like oh my gosh, yeah, the one with the gay guy. Like yeah, talk to the finger, 'cause the face don't want to hear it. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, you can probably, like, just sit down, listen to it, and then the one that you like most, Apu, or, another one, yo, hey, boo boo, let's go down and get the picnic basket. Yeah, you can just, like, put down, don't worry, you can put down anything, like, copper policeman. Who is from Jamaica? Whatever. Yeah. Don't worry. I'll try to figure out what you're talking about. Yeah. Don't worry. And I'll try to make up more. The way I get mine is yeah. I'll tell you later. Too much talking going on. Oh, bye.